Hi guys, I am Emiko Baldonado. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do my Christmas Eve makeup look. I'm gonna make it simple and super easy. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I-click mo yung bell para ma-notify ka kung may bago akong video. Please follow me sa aking social media. So without further ado, let's start with the video. I'm gonna start off with my kilay. I'm using this Unbelievable Brow by L'Oreal. To clean my brows, I'm gonna use this Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal. Naglagay na rin ako ng concealer sa eyelid ko. Now, isi-set ko siya using this Nichido Final Powder. And for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this AV Advance Rich Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna use this color. Now I'm gonna use this second eyeshadow color. Now, balik lang ako sa unang eyeshadow color na ginamit ko. Then, i-blend ko lang sila together. Now, I'm gonna use this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette in Lemon. Then, gagamitin ko tong color na to. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, then I'm gonna put mascara. Now magla-lashes na ako. For my moisturizer, I'm gonna use this Eye White Korea Aqua Moisturizer Glow. For my foundation, I'm gonna use this You Can Face It Foundation by Squad Cosmetics. Dalawang color yung gagamitin ko, paghahaluin ko lang sila. Now, siset ko na yung foundation ko. I'm gonna use this Nichido Final Powder. For my contour, I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. Balik lang ako sa unang eyeshadow color na ginamit ko. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa lower lash line ko. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this EV Advance Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. Now, balik lang ako sa mascara ko, but I'm gonna use it sa brows ko para mas bushy siya tignan. For my lips, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Collection in the shade Hazelnut Hypnotizer. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Lahat ng products na ginamit ko, ililink ko siya sa description box below. Please like and share this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me sa aking social media. So that's it, thank you so much for watching. Bye!